Hello, this is Stefano with Stefano's Espresso Care. Fairly recently, Asa Chimici came up with a new product, Puly-Caff GREEN, which has granulates. It's a little, different acting and different as was looking as well compared to the old one. You will have these little granulates. Well, at the beginning you think that they are not dissolving well enough and they are harder to dissolve compared to the previous product, but they are actually providing a very, very good job in cleaning. And we'll be doing an example of just leaving few parts, just soaking, not even scrubbing. We put them up in few minutes from now and you can judge with your own eyes. Stand by. How about that? It's been soaking for what, 10 minutes or so? So soaking only, no scrubbing involved. And you can already tell how much better this portafilter. Well, there's too much foam actually to show it to you, but let me rinse it. Look at the difference. This was just soaking before any scrubbing. Look at the shower screens that we had in there, completely filthy with coffee buildup. So the moral of the story is that this product is very, very efficient. Even before you scrub or you use it for back flushing, just as a soaking. Thank you for watching. And by the way, this is the color of the water that I dumped from the container where those parts were soaking. And again, this is just soaking.